extra low hydrogen welding rod. We carry this product from 3/32 on up to 3/16. Excellent general purpose construction type wire. It's up to 85 thousandths on the tensile strength. You can use it on all your heavy equipment. Any place where you got vibration, this is an excellent rod to use. You can run this on AC or DC reverse polarity. Let's give it a try. We'll show you how it works. Okay, this is Dave Miller from weldingrods.com. We've got our 127 extra low hydrogen rod ready to give it a try. Take a look. Very easy start. You can pick this rod up, hit it, pick it up, it'll just keep running. It's great out of position, great on anything with a lot of vibration. You got to remember, this is an extra low hydrogen rod. That means it's going to take the stress of any of your heavy equipment, any type of earth equipment, vibration, milling, grinding equipment. This will take the stress up to 85 thousandths on the tensile strength. Let's take a look now at the weld that we just did. You can see the weld. You just touch the side of this and you can see how the slag just comes off clean. Leaves you a beautiful looking weld, very strong. Will take the abuse, extra low hydrogen rod. So you can see how easy that product worked. So get yourself a box of weldingrods.com, number 127 extra low hydrogen.